It's mommy dolphin, Daddy. It's mommy dolphin.
Mommy dolphin? Oh, what is this?
It's daddy dolphin, Daddy. It's a daddy dolphin.
That's
A daddy dolphin. It's a baby dolphin.
Oh, baby dolphin. What's this?
Fish. The frog. The kangaroo. The iron. Dog. Starfish. Pig. It's a turtle. It's a bull. And a tiger. And a dolphin. And a penguin. And a dolphin. And a doggy.
Good job.
Job.
No, this way.
Oh.
Other side.
Other side?
No, other side. The other side. The
What other side?
dolphin. Like this.
Oh, how about this?
Okay.
Like this. Other side, Daddy.
Okay, let's go to the next page.
No, it's not. It's the and
Ulit.
pink and the orange, blue, the red, a purple.
Purple.
One more.
One more? This one.
What's that again?
Yellow, pink, orange, the blue, the red, and purple.
job.
Okay, where's your marker? You gotta do that.
My marker.
Here. Okay, you connect. Okay, match the fish with its correct color. There, Thea. Okay, you gotta find what's the first one? The?
What color is the fish?
Red.
Okay,
Where's the
what's the red
color?
one?
Liz.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold it right. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what happened?
What happened? What did you do with the pen, with the marker?
No more. Uh-oh.
Aww.
Gotta